The old courtroom smelled of polished wood and tension. Judge Eleanor Boyd adjusted her glasses, her gavel resting like a weapon in her hand. For 30 years, she had sat in that chair, commanding order with a steel voice and sharper wit. But that morning, 5 lawyers had gathered like wolves circling prey. They represented a coalition of businesses accusing her of corruption, charges she knew were baseless but dangerous nonetheless. Each lawyer took their turn, pacing before the jury, waving papers, raising doubts. Judge Boyd listened without flinching, her face carved from stone. Yet beneath the bench, her hand tightened on the gavel until her knuckles ached. The first lawyer accused her of bias in past rulings. The second painted her as a puppet of politicians. The third questioned her integrity with invented witnesses. The fourth twisted her career into a tale of ambition without honor. Then came the fifth. A woman in a crisp gray suit, younger than the rest, with eyes that burned like she had lived this battle before. Everyone expected her to finish the onslaught, the final dagger. Instead, she paused, staring at Judge Boyd with something that looked almost like respect. "My colleagues have spoken at length," the young lawyer said. Her voice was calm, but it cut through the murmurs like a blade. "But I cannot stand here and deliver lies." Gasps rippled through the room. The other lawyers shifted uneasily. She turned to the jury. "I was hired to attack Judge Boyd, but in my research I found no corruption, only a record of fairness, of defending those who had no voice. What's happening here is not justice. It's an attempt to silence a judge who has ruled against powerful interests." The courtroom erupted. The 4 other lawyers leapt to their feet, shouting objections, their faces red with fury. Judge Boyd's hand trembled on the gavel, not from weakness, but from shock. For the first time that day, she felt seen. The young lawyer faced her directly. "Your Honor, I resign from this case. I will not be part of this charade." Silence fell heavy after her words. Judge Boyd struck the gavel once, firm and final. Order restored, but the balance of power had shifted forever.